Hello Mac users, this is Hasibur, and I was trying to find a solution to paste and match the clipboard with the existing formatting for any app, but this paste and match style option is not available for all the apps, so I need something else instead of this option. So I created this AppleScript which will copy my clipboard and remove all of its formatting and then paste it as value only. To test the script, I would like to add those two lines and save it, and I would like to go to the Google and copy a formatted text, and if I go to Excel and paste that, it is pasting with formatting. Okay, now go to the AppleScript and run it. Now you can see the AppleScript is removing the text formatting from the clipboard. Later we can add a keyboard shortcut for this AppleScript to run this automation from keyboard.